Hi guys, this is Sushmita, your crypto guide, and today we are talking about decentralized exchange. Decentralized exchanges, also known as DEXs, are peer-to-peer marketplaces where cryptocurrency traders can transact directly without an intermediary. These transactions are facilitated through the use of conditional agreements written in code called smart contracts. DEXs remove the requirement for any authority to oversee trades. It allows peer-to-peer trading of cryptocurrencies. In transactions made through decentralized exchanges, the typical third-party entities which will normally oversee the security and transfer of assets are substituted by a blockchain or distributed ledger. Also, users get to keep control of their wallet's private keys, which is an advanced encryption that enables users to access their cryptocurrencies seamlessly. Some common methods of operation include the use of smart contracts or order book relaying, although many other variations are possible and with differing degrees of decentralizations. Because traders on a decentralized exchange often do not need to transfer their assets to exchange before executing a trade, decentralized exchanges reduce the risk of theft from hacking of exchanges. Decentralized exchanges can also prevent price manipulation or fake trading volume. So this was all about decentralized exchange. To know more about such technical terms, do write in our comment section below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.